reverse tilt is almost identical to a tilt pour, but you're pouring into the top of the part like a static pour.
Okay.
They're always going into a riser directly on the part.
Okay. So again, that, you know, you're kind of taking the benefits from both,
Yes,
but it comes with some
there
negatives.
are disadvantages as well.
Sure.
Pouring into it like that is a disadvantage, but you're using a cup and tilting just like a tilt pour.
Okay.
So that kind
can
of
control
helps
it.
you out, yeah.
But you probably, similar to your parts that you were talking about on the static, you could run into the issues of you're dumping metal directly
Right
in
in
there.
the right in top.
So you're trying to target to cut that out.
When you
some way.
pour into the top, you got to target the heavy section.
Okay. And a lot of times
Yeah.
we're cutting that off apart. Or,
Exactly.
Okay.
And hope that your gas and everything goes up into the riser.
Yep.
So what kind of parts would you use reverse tilt pour then if there are these limitations?
Yeah, so I'd say a lot of larger type castings,
Yeah.
or castings where, you know, Monty was
Heavy
mentioning,
sections.
like, heavy sections or wheels earlier. You know, so are pretty consistent in geometry, or, you know,
Yeah.
heavy section parts.